Racing just is started for the Ding Dong Dantes Strawberries. We have hit the road jack. First to show quickness at the start, Spanish Ruler moving for the outside, gain a ball while find happiness is the early trailer. Back to the leader, we have hit the road jack by our length and a half. Spanish Ruler gain a ball alongside, while find happiness is still in port. And going along for the first turn, we have hit the road jack, maintaining a length and a half lead. Spanish Ruler in second, gain a ball is down in third, while find happiness is still racing in fourth. We have hit the road jack by about 2 lengths. Spanish Ruler in second, gain a ball still in third, while find happiness is still racing in fourth. Down the backstretch they travel, we have hit the road jack by about a length. Spanish Ruler still in second, Gainable remains in third, while Find Happiness is still in fourth, but this time now starting to stretch out. Another part turn, we have hit the road jack, maintaining a length lead. Spanish Ruler still working very hard in second. Find Happiness is down in third. Gainable comes next, and Diana when entering the home stretch. We have hit the road jack by about a length. Spanish Ruler still in second. Find Happiness is down in third. Gainable is already outside fourth. With about 100 meters of the race, we have hit the road jack, still with double wrap, and finally it's hit the road jack, Spanish Ruler, Find Happiness, and Gainable.
All right, there you have it. Wire-to-wire win by Hit the Road Jack here in the Ding Dong Dantes Trophy Race.
136 seconds flat ang tinapos ng kabayong Hit the Road Jack over 1,500 meters. Ang mga kwartos, 19:26, accelerating to 24.5 and finishing at 26.5.